Hi, now we are going to see about logical operators in Java. There are two operators. One is logical and logical OR operator. So logical AND operator is used to compare the two conditions. We want to check two conditions and that should be true. Then we want to execute certain block of code or we want to do some operation. Then we can use this AND operator. So if both the conditions are true, then only this will return true. If first condition is false, then the logical AND operator will return the false value. That won't go to second condition and that won't check that. So if first condition is true, then only the logical AND operator will move to second condition, then that will check the second value. That means second condition, then that will return the true value. So first we will see about logical AND operator. So double ampersand is the logical AND operator. So we can check that logical AND means double ampersand we are going to check. So here if both the conditions are true, I am giving true and true. I am giving two value. In between we are using AND operator. So both are true. So this should return the true value. If the condition, any one condition is false, then this will return the false value. See, the value is false. So if the first value is true, then that will go for next one, then that will check this whether this is also true, then only this will return the true value. If any one is false, the logical AND operator will return the false value. Next is OR operator. So OR operator, if any one of the condition is true, then this will return the true value. So we can check that. So logical OR, we can check true or false. So if any one is true, then the logical OR will return the true value. If both the values are false, then only this will return the false value. Both the conditions or values, anything we can take. If any one is true, it will return true. The only thing is, if for logical OR operator, this will check the first value. If this is true, then the logical operator won't go for second condition. So this will directly return the true value. If the first is false, then only the OR operator will check for second one. If this is true, then definitely the outcome will be true. Otherwise, this will be false. But for AND operator, this will check the first value. If this is false, then the return value should be the false. If this is true, then AND operator will go for a second one. This should also be true. Then only we will get the true value. We can use some example. Like for a true condition, we can use 2 is greater than 0. So this is the truth, isn't it? 2 is greater than 0. And we can use characters also. And A equals A. Both are equal. So in certain point, we need to check a value that should be greater than 0 and the character should be A. So in that case, both the conditions should be true for us, means then we can go for logical AND operator. We can execute this. we have error, we can check that. Okay, we can use parenthesis here. So still we have what we are missing. Yeah, we have one extra closing parenthesis, so we can remove this. Can try executing this. Yeah, we can execute now. Yeah, definitely this condition returns the true value. Correct? The same thing. So here we can use OR operator. Okay, so in this place we can remove this test, we can give this. Okay, OR operator, so first is true, so this won't go for second one, this will return the true value. If the first is false, then this will go for a second condition, then this will return the true value. If both are not equal, that means both condition are not satisfied, then only this will return the false value. Okay, thank you.